Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Authorize.net for secure payment form UI, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Authorize.net for secure payment forms, begin by creating an Authorize.net account. Visit the Authorize.net website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your business information as prompted. Choose your preferred payment processing options during the sign-up process. After completing the registration, log in to your Authorize.net account. Navigate to the Accounts section from the main dashboard. Select API credentials and keys from the menu. Here, you will find your API login ID and transaction key. Keep this information secure, as it is essential for integration. Next, decide whether you will be using their SDK or integrating with your own code. If using the SDK, download it from the Authorize.net Developer Center. Follow the provided documentation to integrate the SDK into your application. For custom integration, create a secure form using HTML and JavaScript. Include the necessary input fields for collecting customer payment information. Use Authorize.net's JavaScript library for client-side validation. Make sure to implement HTTPS to ensure secure data transmission. Prepare to handle the API response by setting up backend logic. Use your API login ID and transaction key in your backend integration. Test the integration in the sandbox environment provided by Authorize.net. Run multiple transaction scenarios to verify that everything functions correctly. Once satisfied with testing, switch to live mode by updating your keys. Make sure to monitor your transactions and user experience regularly. By following these steps, you can successfully authorize with Authorize.net for a secure payment form. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.